Welcome to the Chronicle of Brands, where we delve into the world of brands and their unique value propositions. Today, we're exploring Insurify, an innovative platform that makes comparing insurance quotes a breeze. Whether it's auto, home, or life insurance you're after, Insurify is here to simplify your quest for the perfect coverage. Starting with Insurify is straightforward. Simply head over to their website or open their mobile app and enter your zip code. You'll then be prompted to answer a series of questions about your current insurance status, housing situation, and a few other details. The more accurate your answers, the more personalized your quotes will be. Once you've completed this step, Insurify's AI-powered algorithm gets to work, analyzing quotes from a multitude of providers to find the best matches for you. This is where the magic happens, as you're presented with a range of options tailored specifically to your needs and circumstances. Next, it's time to review your coverage options. It's important to understand the terms and conditions of each policy before making your decision. Insurify makes this process easy, presenting you with all the necessary details in a clear, easy-to-understand format. Now, on to customizing your policy. With Insurify, you're in the driver's seat. Adjust coverage levels, add or remove optional coverages, and tailor your policy to fit your budget. Your perfect policy is just a few clicks away. If you need more information, have questions, or want to negotiate, Insurify is just a call away. Their team of experts is ready to assist and ensure you get the best deal possible. Finally, when you've found your perfect policy, it's time to make your purchase. Insurify's secure online payment system makes this process quick and easy. Just remember to review all policy details one last time before finalizing your purchase. In summary, Insurify is your one-stop shop for comparing, customizing, and purchasing insurance policies. It's a tool that saves you time, money, and takes the guesswork out of insurance shopping. And there you have it. Ready to find the best insurance deals? Click the link around this video to start comparing quotes today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might benefit. And as always, stay tuned for more insightful videos on brands and their unique value propositions. Thank you for watching.